Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is the Tennant B5 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we've got a worn or broken pad driver assembly. Super simple to replace. Here is how you do it. Go ahead and remove your pad. Just like that. And now we're going to remove these screws to get the pad driver assembly off. Okay, and the pad driver assembly just comes off like that. Get your new one, and just reverse the steps to install. Now, all we have to do is tighten down the Phillips head screws. Okay, take your new pad, or just the same one that you were using, put it back on the pad driver assembly. Tighten down the top part of the pad holder, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.